Welcome to How to Solve.
Hi there! Here's how to change your name in Threads. Now, Threads, a new Instagram app, basically pulls over all of your information from the Instagram app over to the new Threads app, but you might want to change your name on there. I'll show you how to do it. So, first, let's open up the app and we'll tap on the profile button at the bottom right. Now you can see my name here. This is also my username, and if I wanted to change that name, I can just tap the edit profile and you can see that there's like a little lock icon. And if I tap on it, it says your name is linked to your Instagram account and cannot be changed here. So, for some reason, the Meta company of Instagram and Facebook and the new Threads app has decided to link both your username and your name from the Instagram app over to Threads. So to change it, let's just have to tap done at the top right and then tap on the Instagram button at the top right here. Now this will bring you directly to your Instagram profile. You can tap the edit button on the profile here and then just tap on your name, and now all you have to do is change your name in the Instagram app, and then it will eventually and automatically push it over to the Threads app. As of now, there is no ability to have two separate names, one on Instagram and one on the Threads app. You have to have the exact name on both. So you have to change it first on Instagram and then it will also be changed on Threads. Yeah, that's it. That is how we change your name on the Threads application.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.